Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I just got the, I got SharkBite PEX. I ran out of, if you're watching my other videos, I'm working on a project to install a washer and dryer for my mom's new tenants upstairs on the second floor, so I need to run water, electric, gas, whatever. So that's kind of what I'm doing. But I got SharkBite instead this time. The first time around, I got these because these were they came in a set with this, this, and this, and I needed I honestly only needed this. I really didn't even need these. I just bought this just to have this, just to have extras, I guess. It came in a little kit, and pretty much, yeah, that's what I got. So anyway, yeah, I got that, and so that was 2-day delivery. This was next day, and I wanted to get these by today. So I decided to go with the SharkBite, the original, pretty much, makers of this PEX crap. Or not the originals, but I guess it's just a bigger name, so they're guaranteed to have better product, I guess. Like, more pure brass is, you know, made here, compared to maybe that might not be 100% pure brass, and you won't notice till 5 to 10 years later. So I mean, this had good reviews on Amazon because it got installed easily. You can't say that had good reviews because, you know, it doesn't put, you know, metal into your water. I don't really know that. I don't have a test for that. So like I said, sorry, I got these instead. So I just want to show a review of these and do a comparison of that. Pretty much I'm not going to do an installation review because I installed those and it's the same exact thing. You're going to crimp a ring on it. I mean, it's really not that hard. So let's open this up. What is this? 10-pack, right? So I got a 10-pack and I think I only need like 4, but you know how it's always good to have extra around your casa. So pretty much these are the SharkBite ones right here, up close, so you guys can see. It says that number on it, PEX, some other crap. Oh, there's a shark on it. There you go. That's how you know it's a SharkBite. Okay, so it has a shark on it to show you it's SharkBite. I don't know what LF stands for. I'm sorry. So you're going to have to forgive me. I'm not that smart. I didn't look it up. So this is the SharkBite one. And then this is the Breezliy one. So we're going to test the weight out of it because that's why I got this out, so you guys can see if there's a weight difference. I don't know if it's going to be able to tell. I have no idea. This is just a review of me comparing it because the SharkBite, as you know, all their fittings are more expensive, even though they make more fittings than anyone else. So they probably get the metal cheaper than everybody else, but it doesn't matter. You got to pay what you got to pay. You got to pay to play the game, right? The SharkBites are pretty much the most expensive fittings that I've seen out of everybody else. So you're paying for the name, and I wonder if that's because they're actually better in weight or anything, or purity. I'm not really sure, but we're just going to do a weight, and like I said, this is a side-by-side. This is the SharkBite. As you can see, that's the shark on it. So this is what they look side by side. So that's what, right, there we go, right in front of the camera right there. So, I mean, they kind of look the same, right? I mean, I don't know. So, we'll hold them just like this, okay? And I think the one on the right is the SharkBite. So, to me, they look exactly the same. Yes, the color is different on the SharkBite. It's a little bit more toned down. These are a lot shinier, which probably helps them sell. That's why they do it. And like I said, shiny doesn't mean anything good, so. But they kind of, you know, that's it. That's what they have. There's the ribs. Everything looks kind of the same, like I said, the thickness. So it must be what they're made out of is the difference, and I won't know because it's not like there is you know, an ingredient list on the back of this thing. And there's no, you know, I have no idea how they make their metal or how they get it. So let's do a weight and see if the weight is any difference between the shark and this real quick. And that's about it for the review. But let's see. So let's turn this baby on. Oops. Alright, so pounds and ounces. Let's see if this will weigh it. 0.6 ounces it says. Let's go to another unit. 17 grams. Okay. And that's it. Okay, so 17 grams, 17 milliliters. And that's what it says for that. So let's test out the, what's this? This is not the SharkBite. This is the other Breezliy one. So it actually is heavier. 0.1 ounce heavier. Grams It's 3 grams heavier because the other one was 17. So it actually is heavier and it's cheaper. Like I said, no idea if that means the metal is better. I have no idea, and I can't tell you anything about it. But I just wanted to show you the review on the weight so you guys understand the difference that I can only see. That's it for Glen Velvet reviews on the SharkBites that I got that I'm going to be using on my project. So, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. Bye-bye. Enjoy.